want me to make a hit song. Please give me the recipe. Put in the right foot in the cooker's a necessity. Eyes wide open when I wander in the city. Get the vibe, the skills, the flow, probably not the chemistry. Ain't no fate, hard work only will pay off. You're pulling all nighters might be the only trade-off. Passion and tenacity are what my dreams are made of. Let's try, fuck it if I'm way off. Man, I'm loving art in its purest form. Long before the you was born. Money the newest norm, suit and ties and uniform. Ambiguous times, trying to make it through the storm. All I wanna do is to perform. God bless me cause I least time still doing the things I love. Sometimes I really miss my telly and my beers. I'd rather stand still, but I have to pay the bills, so
gotta make a hit song, tell me how the beat sounds, yeah, yeah. We sick in a diamond day to day and try to make a hit song, tell me how the beat sounds, yeah, yeah. Is it a senseless game to play? Hey, I'm Mr. T up on the mic, on ready for the ride. Make the pilot of the bike out there. Me go wherever me like. Holy Father, I'm the guy that make the wall awake, it has to go away. But one thing him never give me, no. Me coulda go a London, Kingston or Tokyo. Can't find nothing but me close to the goal, you know. Me have to do me thing, but what me want to know.